In this lesson, we will review the partial quotient strategy for long division. I want to find out what 197 divided by 8 equals. When I set up my long division problem, whether I'm doing traditional or partial quotients, it will look like this. On the inside is the number I'm dividing into. On the outside is the divisor or the number I'm dividing by. With partial quotients, we'll want to set up a holding area to keep track of how many eighths will be going into this number. So we start by thinking, how many times will 8 go into 197? I don't know the exact answer, so I'm going to chip away. Will it be at least 10? Well, 10 times 8 is 80. I'm going to write that over here. 8 times 10 is 80, so it's at least 10. If I do 20, I'm going to do a little math over here. I would get 160. I'm getting close. If I do 8 times 30, it's going to be too much. That's going to be 240. So I'm going to try 20. So 28 would be 160. I want to subtract the 160 from 197 and see what's left. I'm chipping away. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 37 left. I know I cannot do 10 more. How about 5 more? Well, 8 times 5 is 40. I think 4 is as high as I can go. 8 times 4 is 32. I'm going to subtract that from what I have left from the 37. And I can see I will only have 5 remaining. 5 is less than 8. I cannot do any more 8s. So I'm going to add up the 8s I've done so far. 20 plus 4 is 24. And I have 5 leftover or remainder 5. So the answer to 197 divided by 8 is 24 with the remainder of 5. If I wanted to write that remainder as a fraction instead, I would take the remainder of 5, write it as my numerator, and my denominator would be the number I'm dividing by. 8. So 24 and 5/8.